In this video, I'll show you how to check the available versions of a package in the Ubuntu repositories. This is helpful when you want to install a specific version or just want to know which versions are available. Let's begin by opening a terminal. First, update your package list to make sure it's up to date. Type sudo apt-update. Enter your password if asked. Next, to see the available versions of a package, use the apt-cache command. For example, if you want to check available versions of Python 3, type apt-cache madison python 3. This will show you a list of available versions along with the repository they belong to. If apt-cache madison doesn't work or shows nothing, you can also use this command, aptlist a python 3. This will show all the versions available to install from your enabled repositories. Replace Python 3 with the name of any package you want to check. That's it. Now you know how to see all the available versions of a package in Ubuntu. Thanks for watching.